Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use guides and rulers in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually toggle them on. So you come here to the top panel, you click on view, and then from this drop down I want you to hover over show and I want you to turn on guides. So click on it and now you should get a check mark next to it just like this, and we'll do the same thing with rulers. I want you to click on rulers as well, and now we have this right here. What we can do to set up guides is just come here to these edges, click on them, and now I can drag out this guide. You can place it wherever you want. So let's say I want to place it here where it says 20, and we can do the same thing for the other side as well. So we'll come down here and we will place a guide at 280 and we'll drag this out to this one. And now what I'll do is create another line from here. So as you can see, this one is a horizontal line. I'll leave this one at 20 just like that. And we'll go ahead and create another one as well. And we'll just do the same thing for that and leave it here. So now we have these as a guide. Really that easy, and that is how to use guides and rulers in Affinity Studio. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.